Smooth as sugar, sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Destined by the potion. Loving this devotion.
To my mom, happy 75th birthday. Wishing you a good health because health is wealth. And many more years to celebrate with us. And of course, we love you so much.
Sana maging okay itong surprise na namin sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo. And ako nga pala yung pinakamabait na anak. Hayaan mo na silang mga pasaway na kapatid ko. Happy birthday!
I love the way we vibe up. You're like a centerfold.
For my birthday message, happy birthday, Mami Lee, of course. I wish you good health, wealth, and more birthdays to come. Sana hindi ka na masyadong ma-stress and smile more.
More birthdays to come and wishing you more a healthy life.
Happy birthday, Mami Lee. Thank you kasi ikaw yung naging lola namin. Saka very blessed kami kung anong meron sa ating dumadating na blessing. Thank you.
So Mami Lee, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa inyo, sana good health always. Because the wealth is always there, but wishing, of course, more wealth to come. We love you and take care always.
Kaya sobrang saludo kami sa nanay namin. Lahat ng tinuro niya, tinuturo ko din sa mga anak ko. Kaya thank you so much, Mami.
Tinignan lang si Mariner di masungit. Pero yung kalooban niya, super. Saludo kami talaga sa kanya. Tsaka yung mga anak niya, kung anong itinanim niya, yun din yung inani niya po sa mga anak niya. Talagang
laging lusog at laging walang problema para okay ang ating katawan.
Happy birthday! Good health na lang at saka sana marami pang birthday na dumaan.
Pag mahina ka na po, ako magiging lakas niya. Pag nahirap na siyang maglakad, ako ang magiging paas.
You got what I